Bachmann's brand new 00 gauge class 410 for BEP is finally here. It's the latest arrival in the Hornby Magazine workshop, and the 4-car unit completes that series of electric multiple units that can be formed up to create an authentic continental boat train service that used to operate between London Victoria and the Kent coastal ports. This is the 4BEP, which is the buffet car unit. The difference between that and Bachmann's earlier Class 4 CEP is the inclusion of a buffet car in place of the trailer corridor second. And this provided catering services for passengers on the route, particularly on the boat train services that were operated, but it also operated on semi-fast and fast services too, offering catering to business services in the morning on the commuter routes, as well as through the day on other services too. They could appear in 12-car formations and also 8-car formations too. Usually though, they were in the centre of the train, the idea being that at least that way the buffet car was equidistant in the train in terms of wherever passengers were seated. So as I mentioned, Bachmann's all-new 4-car unit is very similar to the 4 CEP. It still has the motor brake second opens at each end and the composite vehicle towards the centre. The main difference is the inclusion of the buffet car here, which has been very nicely done inside and out. It replaced the corridor second vehicle in the 4-car unit just to create the difference between the types of unit between the 4 CEP and the 4 BEP. If you look very closely with this unit, they've modelled the seating arrangement with the loose chairs, the tables, and also the kitchen interior is very nicely done. And you can find out more about that in our review in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. We're also going to show you the model operating in 4-car form, but also in its wider 12-car formation as well. Might even throw in a motor luggage van to give you that full continental boat train experience on the layout too. Keep an eye out. Let's watch it now. And of course, you can read the full review on Bachmann's all-new Class 410 for BEP in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine, HM169, which is on sale now, and at keymodelworld.com. Thanks for watching.